Hello everyone, are you looking to learn Python in a 10 minute? Or like are you a new beginner or you are a expert? If you really just want to just refresh your skills, right? Then this video is going to perfect for you. I will not take you too much time. This is you only need to stay with me only for 10 minutes. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, you need to install the Python. This is the link I have shared. This is your python.org. You can download from here the Python version and install on your system according to your operating system. If either you have a Mac or Windows, you can install it. Although by default the Python is already available in our systems, but if not, then you can download it from here. How you can check Python version? If you're using the Jupyter Notebook, then you can use this one. I'm using the Google Colab, that's why I need exclamation sign. But if you're using the Jupyter Notebook, then you need to use this. And if you want to check installation using command line prompt, then you need to open command prompt and type Python. That's it. Okay. So here, this is how you can install the Python. And then now you will learn your first program. So this is your how you can print string in Python. So you need to use the print method, round brackets, and then you can pass the string inside it. So here you go. This is the output. If you want to print anything else, if you are a beginner, then you can print it like this way as well. You can, this is variable, we call it variable in Python. Okay, whenever this is called name of the variable string one, don't use str, this is inbuilt keyword. Okay, and inbuilt means we cannot use it as a variable, so you can declare the like your variable like this and you can print it like this as well. Okay, so this is going to be very static. This is also static, but we are assigning it to the variable and then we are concatenating them using the plus operator. We call it operator. In math, you call it mathematical operator. In your Python, when you are concatenating, like joining the two string, we call it concatenation. So this is your first program. You can see how is easy your Python language is. Now you can try with the other strings. I have showed you the two methods which is very popular. Next, you need to learn about the variable and data types. Okay, what are the different type of variable names and data type? Variable name you have learned here as well. So this is again declaring. Okay, so to the variable name you can assign integer data type, you can assign float data type 3.5 which come up with the decimals, and you can also assign the boolean data type as well. This is true, false, positive, negative, 0, 1. This is called boolean data type. If you want to print it, how would you print it? Just you can drop the comment in the comment box as well. Again, you will use here name, print this is happy, right? Are you happy or not? Yes, true. Okay. So this is the different data types we found in Python. Number one, your string. Number two, your integer. Number three, float. And number four is your boolean. You have another data structures as well except for this, but this is the basic one. Till so far, you have learned very important things. First, how to download it. Like I have showed you the link, you can download and install on your system. This is very easy. Before downloading or installation, just check by default Python is in every operating system come with default. Okay. So if not, then I have already shared the link. I will share this link in the description box as well. Second, you have learned to run your first program, right? Using print statement. Third, you have learned data types basic. You would now see it's a just 6 minutes and you have learned so many things. And then now we will move ahead with the list and dictionaries. This is your data structure. This is very important. You use this both data structure, although above data types as well in AI at a deeper level. Your data collection, when you want to collect the data, you use the list or dictionaries. Like if you want to prepare the data for the user profile management, you want to prepare for weather, you want to collect the data for the your stock market, etc. Okay, at that time you can use this. So how it is declared? I have declared the fruits list. It start with the square bracket and with the square bracket. It can hold as many as elements. The apple, banana and cherry are the elements inside the list. And person, this is the dictionary. It will start with your curl bracket here, stop the curl bracket here. It come up with the key name and value. Key name, value. But a list work based on the index. This is 0, 1, 2. Okay. And then you can print, if you want to print the apple, you will say fruits, square bracket 0, because I am using the index position. And then if I want to fetch out the name Ane from my dictionary, then I will say name of the dictionary, square bracket, and pass the key name. So this is the big difference between list and dictionary. In dictionary, you will fetch out the value using key name, but from the list, you only need to use the index value. Don't worry, if you want to do the mastery in this, you can watch my Python playlist. I have built the in detail videos on each topic. Okay. And then you have the loops and conditionals. This is very important. You use it when you want to iterate over anything like the data type and you want to add the conditions. Layman example is, if you are going to market, your parent is saying, buy the apple only from the Costco or superstore. So they put a condition on you. In technical term, this is called conditional statement in Python. Here you go. This is the conditional statement. If age is greater than, this means Ane is growing up. Okay. So this is conditional statement. If this is going to be true, then only this is going to be print. And it will start with if keyword and with the colon. And this is the one. And this is your loop for fruit in fruits. Where is the fruit list? This one. I want to fetch out all elements from the list one by one. Then I can iterate over it using loop for fruit in fruits and then print. So it will print all results. Instead of doing this, you can use this one as well. Okay. And now we have the functions. This is user defined function. If you want to reuse the same code again and again for some your functionalities, then you can create the function. It start with def, function name, this is argument, this is return after the calculation or the code you want to execute. We are just printing name. So we are calling, how would you call the function? Using this one. Greet, name of the function, and pass the value. This value will go here, then it will pick up and print it. Hello, Ane. Okay. I know that like it is a little bit fast, but this is the way like the how you declare the function, because today is my goal to let you know what is Python and what are the different data types, functions, and everything come up under the Python, right? And if you want to learn it in a detail, again, you can watch my Python list. Okay. Then you have the classes and objects. This is also important. We use it for the build the classes. As a layman, this is one roof. Under this, you have a many rooms, and every room has its own work, right? The way to work. So same is this. This is your room. This is the like a class dog, and we are declaring here the a function. This is called constructor as well. And then there is a one more function. Here we are creating the instance of the class. We are passing this value buddy, the name of the dog, and then it will come here, and we are calling then function using the instance of class dog.bark. So it will call this and print buddy says woof. Okay. So this is also the very good like this is a good example to for the classes. And then you have the file handling. This is you use when you are writing the file, reading the file, you are scrapping the data from somewhere and you are want to write it. Then you will use with key, open. This is your text file. Then you will write, because W means write option. Permission as a F. This is the alias of this. And then F dot write hello file. So you are writing the hello file inside the test.txt file. Okay, it will create this file and show you in your system. Okay, this is your libraries importing. These methods we use when you want to use the inbuilt functionality of the Python. Then you need to import the libraries. This is inbuilt. Import means library. This is a math library. I want to do the square root of 16 number. That's why I'm using this library. Then we will say here math dot square root and it will give us the square root. Okay, so you have seen, and just I know it's a 11 minute, but you can see you have like now the basic idea about Python, what you need to learn in Python, right? Just in a few minutes. Okay, and then there is a bonus one liner. This is we used most of the time. This is the very popular data structure or type list comprehension in data analysis or in AI. This is, instead of using these for loops and list separately, you can do everything in a one line. Okay, this is your conditional statement. You are multiplying the x 2 times for x in range. This means we are using for loop. It will run the loop 5 times and make the square of each number inside it and print the result. So this is just the one line code. Okay, so you have learned so much with me today, and if you want to watch these kind of videos more, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to learn it in a detail, you can drop a comment in the comment box. Number two, you can watch my Python playlist. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.